Good morning children, back with you all with another topic related to coordinate geometry. This is going to explain you, to help you to understand you that what is Cartesian plane. Children, whenever a simple definition of Cartesian plane is that whenever there are two perpendicular lines which are perpendicular to each other, they are drawn on a plane, that plane is called a Cartesian plane. Now in this horizontal line is called x-axis, this vertical line is called y-axis. All the positive numbers of the x-axis are written here and the negative numbers of x-axis are written this side. Same, positive number of y-axis are on the top and the negative numbers of y-axis are at the bottom. So this is called a Cartesian plane, and this point which we always used to say as origin is always denoted as O. Now if you will see that this plane is dividing, this perpendicular lines is dividing the plane into four different quadrants. This first is the first quadrant, which is quadrant. So this is the first quadrant, this is said to be the second quadrant, and this is said to be the third quadrant, and the last is this one, the fourth quadrant. Now if you will see them very carefully, all will have the different signed numbers. If you will see and if you will locate any number here, both are the positive numbers. X-axis will also be the positive and y-axis will also be the positive. Now coming to the second quadrant, here you will see that x-axis will be the negative and y-axis will be the positive. So here always the x-axis is written first and the y-axis number is written as the second number. So this will be in the combination of minus and plus. Coming to the third quadrant, here you will see that both numbers will be the negative and negative. And coming to the fourth quadrant, you can see that x-axis will be the positive one and y-axis will be the negative one. So this is the sequence, or you can say a easy way to understand when we have the perpendicular lines which are drawn on a plane, that's called Cartesian plane, which is divided into four major quadrants. First quadrant will always have both the numbers positive, second quadrant will have the x-axis number as negative and the y-axis number as positive, and third quadrant will have both the numbers negative. In the fourth you will have x-axis, x number will be as the positive and y number will be negative. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose you have to locate 2 and 3. So the first number is telling us the x-axis number and the second number is telling us the y-axis number. So 2, this is my 2, the positive 2 which is here. Now y-axis is at 3. So coming to the 2, then I will move forward, move on the top, will reach here at 3. So this is my point 2, 3. So let's take one more example. Suppose you have minus 4 and 5. Now the first number is of x-axis, this is my minus 4, and the second number is of y, which is positive 5. So at minus 4 I will start going up and I have to reach here at 5. So this will be my that number. So in this way we used to locate the numbers on the Cartesian plane. Let me give you one last example. Suppose you have both the numbers negative, minus 2, minus 2. So this is my minus 2 of the x-axis, right? And this is my minus 2 of the y-axis. So this is a number which is coming in the third quadrant, minus 2, minus 2. I hope now you can easily locate the numbers in any of the quadrant which is given to you. Thank you so much children. God bless you all.